Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting haul video, kind of a try on haul video. Just ignore my bare face. I just have my base on, like a foundation on, some lip balm, that's it. The reason being is I'm going to show you some new product which I recently launched on Amazon and I got my hands on them. And there are a few brands which I never tried actually. So I'm going to show you everything in this video. And if you want to know what's in today's video, then please keep on watching and let's just glam up. So to start with, I'm going to do my eye makeup because I already have my base on, as I mentioned. So I'm going to use this Nika K palette. This is Mocha Mix. Such beautiful, gorgeous shade it has. I'm going to try it on with you all, and yeah, let me bring you a little closer. For my eyes, I'm going to just create a base right now. So it's going to be a long talking video, guys. So just have patience and just enjoy. I'm going to pick up this white color shade and I'm just going to layer it on my lid. So I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes right now. Now I'm going to pick up this mocha color which is from this palette and the coffee brown color. Just going to layer up and create a smoky sort of a look eye and blend everything into place, and then I'm going to apply my concealer. Over that I will be using this shimmer powder which is from the same Nika K palette. These eyeshadows are damn pigmented, guys, as you can see here, and it is very easy to blend in as well. I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows using Wet n Wild, which is one of my favorite and drugstore product. This time I got Wet n Wild eyeshadow. This is like a creamy eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this as a highlighter just to see if it works well. Just to intense more highlighter, I'm using my Sugar Contour palette. From there I'll be using highlighter, blusher, contour and everything, and I'm going to apply on my face and spritz my makeup fixing spray which is from Swiss Beauty. And I got my hands on this time. This is Mars mascara. I am in love with this mascara, guys. As you can see, it gives such an immense volume to your eyelashes. I did not wear any falsies, so this is another product which is recently launched, and this is Rini lipstick. I got the mini Rini lipstick. It's in the shade called Castle of Nude, and I hope you enjoy this complete makeup look. I am in love with this nude brownish color look. Do let me know what you think, guys, and yes, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in my next video, and all the links will be mentioned in the description box. Do check out, and till then, bye guys.